Hello again, everybody. I just want to take a minute to say how much I really loved all of the videos and pics of your happy places. I thank you so much for getting into the spirit of it. I really feel like I know you all just a little bit better. And now that we do know each other a little bit better, our next activity will continue to help grow our little community and get us started with the first unit, the literacy narrative. The first assignment in the literacy narratives I call Challenge and Triumph, and it asks you to reflect back on a moment in your educational past that pose the biggest challenge or problem for you. Right? To get some ideas flowing, I want each of you to post a video in which you first introduce yourself and then detail your biggest challenge on school grounds. You can go back to your first day of kindergarten or your last day of high school or really anywhere in between. Just tell us the story of the time when you felt lost, discouraged, angry, and include as many details as you can remember. Okay? Um, I told you my story of the time when I was in high school and my teacher just straight up gave me an F and told me, "You are wrong." She didn't give me any feedback. She didn't discuss this with me. Straight up, just get out of here. And it really caused me to almost really want to drop out of school, to get out of the class, not want to do English again, which is really ironic considering, I'm an English teacher now. But luckily, I had a lot of really good support after that. I found a lot of really supportive, great teachers that took time to help mold me and help me grow into the writer that I became. And so this unit is really about starting to kind of shed light on the moments where we all encountered those difficulties, where we all felt like giving up. Because ultimately, we're going to figure out how to help mold one another into the writers that we want to be. We're going to create our own support system, and this is kind of where it all begins. Okay. Um, Now, once you've posted your story, just surf through the stories of your classmates. I really want you to look through everything that your classmates post. And then briefly, you know, 30 seconds, a couple minutes, respond to at least two people. And please try to give the first priority to people who haven't been responded to yet. I want to make sure everybody gets some feedback from somebody in the classroom. It's not cool if nobody pays any attention at all. Because we have a lot of really good stories out there. I know that there's a lot of really good stories out there, and I can't wait to read them. Okay. Even though we often feel alone in these challenges, I feel like we're the only ones to have problems. We're not. We're not alone. Many of us have faced similar issues. And so establish some common grounds, establish a human connection, ask questions, but really just join in the conversation. There truly is strength in numbers, and this activity is designed to show us just how strong we really are. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.